बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फिज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 13 इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 13.4 कूलम्स लॉ। ये टॉपिक आपको एज अलोंग पूछा जा सकता है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे कूलम्स लॉ द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन से लेके डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम तक। फर्स्ट वन पैराग्राफ में एमसीक्यू में जो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है दैट इज अ फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट चार्ल्स कूलम इन 1785 experimentally established the fundamental law of electric force between two stationary charged particles. Next one question is state Coulomb's law. The answer is the force of attraction or repulsion between two point charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Mathematical relation is F proportional Q1 Q2, F inversely proportional to R square. By combining these equations, we have the formula F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over R square. This is the Coulomb's law. ये इक्वेशन आपसे MCQ में पूछी जा सकती है। Where F is the force between two charges and is called the Coulomb force, and K is the constant of proportionality. The value of K depends upon the medium between two charges. ये आपसे MCQ में पूछा जा सकता है। If the medium between two charges is air, then the value of K SI unit will be 9 multiply 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Next question is write the limitation of Coulomb's law. The answer is Coulomb's law is truly only for point charges whose size are very small as compared to the distance between them. Next one is the example of 13.1. Two bodies are oppositely charged with 500 microcoulomb and 100 microcoulomb charge. Find the force between two charges if the distance between them in air is 0.5 meter. By using Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over R square. The answer is F is equal to 1800 Newton. Next one is the side block. This block is important for MCQ. In SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is equal to the charge of 6.25 multiply 10 raised power 18 electrons. This is very big unit. Usually charge is measured in microcoulomb. So 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb. Next one topic is 13.5 electric field and electric field intensity. ये क्वेश्चन आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। First one definition is about electric field. The electric field is a region around the charge in which it exerts a electrostatic force on another charge, and its value depends upon the distance between two charges. And if the both charges Q naught and Q moves away, this force decreases till a certain distance. The force would be partially reduces to 0. Next one is electric field intensity. इसकी डेफिनेशन आप लिखेंगे The strength of an electric field at any point in space is known as electric field intensity. The formula of electric field intensity is E is equal to F over Q naught. This blue block is also the definition of electric field intensity. SI unit of electric intensity is Newton per Coulomb. The force on any particle with charge Q placed at the point can be calculated by using the formula F is equal to QE. Electric intensity being a force is a वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। पैराग्राफ में से जो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है वो इस तरह आएगा, इज इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, व्हाट विल बी इट्स डायरेक्शन? द आंसर इज इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी बीइंग अ फोर्स इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, इट्स डायरेक्शन इज द सेम एज द फोर्स as that of the force acting on a positive test charge. If the test charge is free to move, it will always move in the direction of electric intensity. Next one is electric field lines. ये आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. Define electric field lines. The answer is the direction of electric field intensity in an electric field can be represented by drawing lines. These lines are known as electric lines of force. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one is the MCQs. These lines were introduced by Michael Faraday. The field lines are imaginary lines around a field charge with an arrowhead indicating the direction of force. Field lines are always directed from positive charge towards the negative charge. The spacing between the field lines show this one is for positive and these lines for negative charge. The electric field lines moves away from the positive charge and moves towards the negative charge. Next one topic is 13.6 electrostatic potential. This topic is important for long question. The question is, what is meant by electric potential? Derive the mathematical expression for it. The answer is the electric potential at a point in an electric field. To the definition of potential difference. First one definition is electric potential. The answer is electric potential at a point in an electric field is equal to the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Next one is the formula of electric potential, that is V is equal to W over Q. Next one line is for MCQ. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. SI unit is volt, which is equal to joule per coulomb. The definition of 1 volt is, if 1 joule of work is done against the electric field in bringing 1 coulomb positive charge from infinity to a point in the electric field, then the potential at a point will be 1 volt. यहाँ तक आप इसकी definition लिखेंगे. Next one is the side block. This is important for short question. The question is, when the electrostatic force is equal to the gravitational force. आंसर में आप ये complete block लिखेंगे. Next one is side block, important for MCQ. A tremendous range of field strength exists in nature. For example, the electric field 30 cm away from a light bulb is roughly 5 Newton per coulomb, where the electron in hydrogen atom experiences the electric field in order to 10 raised to power 11 Newton per coulomb from the atom's nucleus. Next one, side block short question is, how electric field is helpful for some animals? The answer is, some animals produce electric fields to detect nearby objects that affect the field. Next one is also a side block, important for short question. The question is, why electric field not a physical entity? The answer is electric field lines themselves are not physical entities. They are just used for the pictorial representation of other physical quantities, that is, electric field at various positions. Next, the definition of potential difference. The definition starts from the energy supplied by a unit charge as it moves from one point to other in the direction of field is called potential difference between two points. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.